Welcome to 4933 East Willetta Street. This beautiful one-bed, one-bath home is full of charm. As soon as you walk in, you're greeted with beautiful natural lighting and stunning Spanish-style floor that flows beautifully in through this unit. Right off the entry, you'll find an oversized storage closet giving plenty of space to keep everything organized. Next, let's head into the kitchen. You'll love the bright white cabinetry, sleek black appliances, gorgeous butcher block countertops, and modern black hardware that ties this space together perfectly. As we continue down the hallway, you'll discover a convenient built-in nook complete with additional cabinetry and a counter space, perfect for a coffee bar, home setup, or extra storage. The bathroom is beautifully updated with marble finishes, a full tub, and a stylish black hardware that creates a clean, modern feel. Finally, welcome to the spacious primary bedroom. You'll once again enjoy the beautiful Spanish-style flooring, lots of natural lighting, and a large walk-in closet with plenty of room for all your wardrobe essentials. If this home is calling your name, do not wait and schedule a tour today. And come see why 4933 East Willetta Street could be your next dream home.